Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repost TikTok videos here on TikTok app. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So before you can do this, you need to make sure that you have the latest update of the TikTok. And now just go ahead and open your TikTok app and search for any videos that you want to repost. And for example, this one. So you just want to click on this share button at the right side of your screen. This arrow above the music. Okay. So now you can see here at the upper part, you can see a repost button. So just go ahead and click that. And here you just need to click repost. So here, by reposting, you can introduce videos you find interesting to other people. People you may know will be able to see that you reposted a video. You can add a comment to your repost. This comment will be public. So just go ahead and click repost. And now as you can see here, I reposted this video. So just go ahead and try that. And I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.